Hey Anushka, welcome back to your computer class. So today we are going to start a brand new chapter named Editing with MS Word. So let's start then. Microsoft Word or MS Word is a popular word processing software used to create and edit text documents. It is a part of the Microsoft Office group of applications along with Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Do you know a word processor is a software that lets you create, edit, format, and print documents? It was developed by Microsoft Corporation, one of the largest software companies in the world. So Microsoft Word or MS Word is a software to use, to create, edit text documents, and it was developed by Microsoft Corporation. Main features of editing. Making changes in a document is called editing. Editing in MS Word mainly involves the following actions. First, inserting text, deleting text, copying and moving text, correcting spelling mistakes, correcting grammatical errors. So what does Microsoft Word do as an editing? It can insert a text, it can delete a text, or it can move or copy text, correct spellings and grammatical errors also. So first we will start with opening an existing Word file. Existing Word file means the Word file which is already been created. We will open it again. First, click File tab. In the open window, locate and double click the file name to open it. Shortcut to do this process is Ctrl plus O. Point to be noted. Mark this one. To open an existing file, the shortcut key is to press Ctrl plus O all together. Next is opening a new document. Now click the File tab, then New, then Blank Document, and then Create. And shortcut to this is Ctrl plus N. Next is inserting text. MS Word lets you add new text in an existing document. Place the cursor to the right of the character where you want to insert the text. Type the text will be inserted here, shifting the existing text to the right. See these two pictures? First I study, cursor, then class 4. Then the next picture you can see that where the cursor was belonging, they have put one new word, that is in. I study in class 4. This is how it goes. Next is selecting text. To perform any action such as editing, copying or formatting text, we need to first select the text. The selected text is displayed on the screen in the highlighted bar. So to select the text, first drag the mouse over the text to be selected. Then the selected text will be highlighted. This is how you can select a particular text. Now, next is there are various ways to select text quickly. Shortcuts. Selecting a word. Double click a word to select it. The place where we live is called home. A home has different kinds of rooms. We should all work together to keep our homes beautiful and clean. This is an example given. Simply double click on home and the home will be highlighted in blue format. Next, selecting a sentence. Hold down the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. First, press down the control key and then click on anywhere on the text, on the sentence. The particular sentence will be highlighted. Next is selecting a paragraph. Triple click anywhere in the paragraph to select it. So basically just triple click it and your whole paragraph will be selected. Now, selecting an entire document. If you want to select the overall document at one go. First click Home tab in the menu bar, then select arrow and then select all. The whole document will be selected. And the shortcut keys to select the entire document is Ctrl plus A. This kind of shortcuts will come on your exam, so read it also. I mean, learn it also, what I'm saying. Anyway, copying text. If we need a number of copies of the same text, we do not have to type it each time. We can use copy and paste options to avoid repeated typing. To copy text, do the following steps. First, you have to select the text and then you have to copy the button. You have to click the copy button in the home tab. The highlighted words will be copied, and the shortcut key will be Ctrl plus C, or right click the mouse and click copy from the shortcut menu. Next, take the cursor to the position you want to place the copied text. Then click on paste. The selected text will be copied to the new location. And shortcut key to paste is Ctrl plus V. Next is deleting a text. To delete a text, use the backspace key or select the text and press the delete key. It's easy. Next is moving text. If you want to shift text from one part to another in a document, use the cut and paste options in the home tab group. To do this, first select the text to be moved, then click cut on the home tab, or right click your mouse or select cut from the shortcut menu. The text disappears from its original position. It is now temporarily stored in a place called the clipboard. Now place the cursor where you want to move the text, then click on paste. The selected text is pasted in the new location. And to avoid this long process, if you want a shortcut, then go for Ctrl plus X. Next comes, do you know code names for earlier versions of Word were Bill the Cat for Word 1.1 and Spaceman Spiff Word 2.0. Check your spellings and grammar. MS Word checks your document for spellings and grammatical errors. It underlines the text with a red line if there is a spelling mistake. A green underline means there is a grammatical error. So basically, if your sentence are having, means if your sentences are having a green dash means green line, then it means it has a grammatical error. And if it is having a red line, then it means it is having a spelling mistake. These errors can be corrected using the keyboard or by placing the cursor on the underlined words and right clicking. A box with alternative words will appear. Choose the correct one. Next is find and replace. Use the find command in the home tab to locate a particular word in a document. To do this, click on home tab, then click on find button in the editing group. The navigation panel opens up on the left hand side of the window. Now enter the word to be located in the navigation box. All occurrences of the located word are highlighted on the page. Use the next search result to move from word to word in the navigation pane. Next is use the replace command to locate a particular word in a document and then replace it with another. To do this, click the replace button placed under the find button in the home tab. Enter the word to be searched in the find what box. Then enter the word to replace it in the replace with box. Click replace if you want to make the change to the first search result. Then click replace all if you want to make the change to all the occurrences of the word. This is how you have to do. So it's nothing there to explain, it's just steps you have to follow to do these things practically. Next is the undo and repeat. The undo and repeat buttons are located on the quick access toolbar so that you can use them quickly and easily. Undo button means if you want to delete something, and repeat means if you want to make it happen once more. Use the undo button to go back to your last action. This is useful in bringing back a deleted word or to cancel the formatting you have just made. Okay, so undo basically it deletes also, and it again means undelete things also. Yeah. Then the repeat button. The repeat button is useful in redoing a task which has been undone or to repeatedly carry out a particular task. Shortcut keys are, for undo is Control plus Z, and for repeat is Control plus Y. Next, you can use the repeat button to paste multiple items. Next is saving your document. Click File tab, then Save. Type the name in the Save As window, then save it. All Word files have .docs at the end of the file name. This is called file extension. And to save a document, the shortcut key is Control plus S. Next is printing a document. Now when you are creating a document, editing it, now if you want it to be printed out on your hand, so what are the steps you should follow are mentioned over here. Let us see. To print a document, use the following steps. First, click File tab, then Print. Then the print window opens up. Now check Print Preview and then select the printer you will be using. Then enter the number of copies you want to print, and then at last, voila, print. The print preview lets us view a document as it would appear when printed. Print preview means before printing, if you want to see that whole document at last, this print preview lets you do that. In settings, you can control the range of pages you want to print. Shortcut keys to print window is, to see the print window is to Control plus P. Is to press Control plus P. To print specific pages, write the page numbers here. For example, 1-3 or 4, 6 or 10, like that. Now at last, click the print button to print the document. Easy, na? The orientation option in settings lets you choose the page setup in portrait or landscape, the way you want to print it out. If you want it to be in a landscape mode, you can do it. If you want it to be a portrait mode, you can do that well also. Landscape means basically how your drawing copies look like. That is the landscape form. And the portrait form is the question papers which you used to get in your exam. That format is called the portrait form. The drop down arrow on letter lets you choose the paper size. So yeah, this is all about this chapter, editing with MS Word. Now if you want to understand this chapter more precisely, then I will suggest, if you have a computer at your home, watch this video and do whatever you want to do on the computer on MS Word step by step by following this video. This will help you to do your work on MS Word, and you will get to know that chapter, means this chapter, more precisely. So yeah, for today only this much, and I will give you the rest of the exercises and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.